Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. A very quiet weekend, very frustrating markets at the moment. They drain your energy literally. Interesting though, because today is obviously the weekly candle close. Last weekend was one of the first ones in a long time where I think we didn't see a lot of movement last weekend. Around the Sunday weekly candle close, even today here. So we have a small green candle here on the weekly. Should we drop below 18.8k roughly, then we are going to end the week in a red. But as long as we hold that, it will be a green weekly candle. However, not really a massively bullish one. Very small green candle here, nothing engulfing or anything. To become an engulfing candle, which would be bullish, we would need to break above the $19,430 level in the next few hours to complete an engulfing green candle before the weekly candle close, which I think is probably a bit ambitious, but never say never. The monthly obviously closed in the red, which is rather bearish. 3 red candles in a row. Yeah, not really anything major. Super bullish, yeah. Overall, as you know, the forecast is anyway to see one more dip. Today we started to decline a little bit. A little bit of downside today. Nothing major on Bitcoin here, but just ongoing sideways movement. I remain of the view we need to. The drop below. We need to break below that wave B low really, which is 18,850 to really give a good indication that this move down is really happening. As I said before, in this third wave, the target is around 17k. We can just measure that again, just to give you an idea. And for that, we take the length of the wave 1 that went down here, retracement of the wave 1, and it gives you, the 17k level roughly for that third wave. Then there will be a fourth wave up and a fifth wave down. That would eventually take us around about to the 15.8k level, that third wave. So that's what I'm looking at. I think this move down will be accelerated by a drop below 18,850 and then a follow through lower than 18,450. That is the wave 1 low. That would be a confirmation that we are indeed heading into these price levels. Other than that, a lot of head fake outs here, where a lot of breakout traders were basically faked out, probably also with leverage. Especially we had the situation here. So we had it here first time, here they got faked out, and here another time. All of these rejections quite strong, so nothing bullish going on here, and I remain of the view that we are going to head down further. And there is the other scenario as well, where we don't expect wave 3, 4 and 5 down. No, it would only be a wave C, which in the end also consists of 5 waves. But if we look at it that way, which is another Elliott Wave count, then the move down might only take us down to 17k and not lower. So this is the scenario that would be pretty much in line with Ethereum's scenario, where I would expect one more low. The difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin is that Bitcoin will probably get below the June lows and Ethereum won't. So in this scenario, we would get somewhere into the green area here between 17k and 18.2k. And this would be a wave C. So that's what I'm waiting for, and it could really be that we've started that already, but I don't really see a lot of the impulsive price action yet. So the catalyst, the volume is still missing, but it's weekend. Tomorrow, obviously, we've got an unscheduled Fed session, and I don't know if that might be a catalyst for some further downside. Other than that, I think we are going to see a lot of or some volatility around the weekly candle close. But even there, as I said, last weekend, I think we didn't really, and I woke up on Monday and didn't really see the price moved at all. The price didn't move from Sunday to Monday, which usually in the weeks before that was generally the case. So, we can't really say anything else other than need to be a bit patient here. You can draw here something like a descending wedge on this chart. But again, without another low and without the bulls pressing to the upside, the buyers pressing, nothing's going to happen. So I think we need one more dip, and then we could possibly break out of this wedge to the upside. There is also the scenario that all of this could be a triangle. Talked about that in the previous video. Elliott Wave triangle A, B, C, D, E, which means we could see some more sideways action. But also that would be possibly in line with the Ethereum count and that we might see a move to the upside here together with Ethereum, then come down once more lower, making a higher low, which would Ethereum do as well, and then another high, where Ethereum could really, go to new highs basically, and then come down and crash down and make that new low that we're expecting. We'll see which of these scenarios is going to work out. Various scenarios possible here, but none of them really bullish, so I'm waiting for lower lows here. Generally, a breakout of that descending wedge would be something that could, at least short term, be interpreted as bullish. Really short term, I'm talking really about a short term catalyst, even if it's just a corrective rally to the upside. But this hasn't happened yet, and the volume on this weekend was particularly low here. If we look at the 4-hour down there, really low volume. Generally, Bitcoin volume has increased quite a bit over the recent weeks, compared to what it was in August, really. And throughout the, let's say, the first half of the year, there was a spike in May, there was a spike in June, but other than that, it has been really low, and it seems to be picking up a little bit, but nothing really too noteworthy. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.